Can't find the new draw feature in Instagram chats? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes to get it working. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your account status. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom. Now tap the menu icon in the top right corner and go to Settings and Activity. Scroll down to More Info and Support, then tap Account Status. If Instagram has restricted new features on your account due to community guideline issues, the draw feature may not be available yet. Step 2. Update Instagram. Next, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Go to the App Store on iPhone or Play Store on Android. Search for Instagram and install any available updates. Since the draw feature is new, it only works on the latest version of the app. Step 3. Reinstall or refresh Instagram. On Android, long press the Instagram app and tap App Info. Go to Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data. This forces Instagram to refresh and download the newest features. Step 4. Check the Draw tool. Now open Instagram again. Go to your messages and open any chat. Tap the plus symbol icon at the bottom. You should now see the Draw option. Tap it and start drawing directly in your chat. And that's it. You should now have access to the Draw feature in Instagram chats. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share for more Instagram tutorials.